Hi everyone, my name is Jaxie Windish, and that is my birth name. Jaxy was given to me by my mother, and my family all begin with J names. My mom had a friend, and her name was Jacqueline growing up, and when I was born, my aunt spoke to my mom and said, "Why don't you name her Jaxie?" And my mom came up with that name, or that spelling for my name. Jaxie Windish. I am married to Steve, and we reside in Colorado Springs with our three of our four children. My oldest daughter is in college in Florida, and we are originally from Florida. We have a son, Joel, who's 13. Jesse is 10, almost 11, and Julia is 8. She's a baby. My major is early education, and I am looking forward to using that degree with kindergarten, first to second grade. And right now I have the privilege of working with preschoolers. I teach Monday through Friday, 8 to 1. It's a part-time position. However, I'm really excited and blessed to interact with these little angels all day long, or half the day, and be able to work with them and teach them. It's a great experience right now. What is your experience with technology? Personally, my experience with technology has mostly been through emails, Gmail, especially because I was a stay-at-home mom for years, so I wasn't very experienced in writing papers on the computer. However, when I started school, that was different. As I had more practice, I became better. I wouldn't say I'm 100% confident in technology, and I would definitely expect training in the classroom. That is my fear going forward. So I wouldn't say I'm a novice, but I believe with a little training I can do well. I can exceed, and I have my 19-year-old daughter, almost 20-year-old daughter, to help me if I have any hiccups. So I am looking forward to this class. I'm looking forward to get to know everybody. And some fun facts about me is I come from 4 generations of J names. And I love sunsets. I love sunrises. And I love singing and walking. And I have 0 tattoos. That, I guess, is a fun fact now because so many people are getting tattoos, and when Jaxie says she has none, everyone's like, "Oh, you don't even have a tattoo?" So that's a fun fact about me. Sorry this video is lagging. I think it has to do with the weather. I've tried 3 times and I can't stop it from lagging. Thank you.